So Elaine, you're here today. How many weeks after your TenJet surgery?
I think it's approximately 5 weeks.
5 weeks.
Yes.
And so you have a story that you went somewhere else, right?
Yes.
To an orthopedic surgeon.
Yes.
And basically he tried non-surgical approach, you know, and of course it's very important in your situation because you had, partial Achilles tendon tear and Achilles tendonitis that you basically had to have non-surgical approach. But you were not getting better, right?
Correct.
So how much pain did you have before you came in to see me?
My pain was, from a scale of 1 to 10,
Right.
it would have been 15.
15, so pretty
Yes.
severe, right?
Yes.
And you were not able to walk without a limp, right?
No.
No exercising. So we got an MRI, right? And we sort of, and I always like to get an MRI in those situations because we wanted to be sure that the TenJet was still acceptable to do.
Right.
Because sometimes I have patients who come in and they have a really severe tear and, if the tendon is completely torn, I'm sorry, no TenJet in the world will help them, right? And definitely in your situation, even though it was a pretty severe inflammation, we decided to do a minimally invasive procedure.
Yes.
And I can tell you is if I was in your shoes, I would definitely recommend minimally invasive procedure because listen, you had 2 small stab incisions, you did not even have a stitch, and you had to be off your foot for only 1 week.
Correct.
So basically, you're sitting here in the chair today, 5 weeks later. How much better are you?
You're a miracle worker.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you.
It's amazing. And my neighbors are surprised that they see me walking without a limp.
Good.
And for me, I had discomfort, not pain. I had pain before the surgery.
Right.
After the surgery, it was just discomfort.
Right.
Nothing more than, there wasn't a lot of pain medication I had to take. I'm very happy with it.
Good.
Very happy.
So for people who live with this pain, and you know how sometimes with open surgery, it definitely doesn't have the best reputation, the open surgery. Yeah. Would you recommend trying minimally invasive TenJet?
Absolutely. If I had to have it done again, that's what I would request. Because the downtime for me was
minimal, right?
Minimal.
Right.
Minimal.
I
After 2 weeks. Right. Yes, I had the boot, but that wasn't a big deal.
Listen, but beats the wheelchair for 6 weeks, right?
Absolutely. Right. Wheelchair or
or crutches or,
anything.
Yeah, of course. No, I'm with you. Well, I'm so happy you're so much better.
No, I'm very happy.
Because, I wish I would have definitely treated you a couple of months earlier because the more we wait, the more scar tissue you have.
Right.
But, well, you've been a perfect patient.
Thank you.
Thanks. So call me if you need me. Otherwise, I don't need to see you back. No news is good news, okay?
That's absolutely.